Hello and welcome back guys. I'm Divya and today I'm gonna show you how to block someone on YouTube. Have you ever had an issue with someone on YouTube trolling or leaving crazy comments on your channel for no reason that you don't like it? So today I'm going to help you in this video. I'm going to show you how to block a person from your channel so you never have to deal with them. So let's get started. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you two different ways how to block a particular person or a user from your channel. So, if you want to block any users on YouTube in 2020, what you have to do is just go and open that particular channel, this Easy Creation. She is a very good friend of mine, but I am taking her channel as example. Here we have to go to this channel, Easy Creation. You can see home, video, playlist, community, channels, about. Here we have to go and click on about. You can see a flag icon. So just go and click on that. Here you can see block users, report channel, report profile picture, report user. I'll choose block user. Click on that. When you click on this submit, you have done. This user will be blocked and they will never see your channel. And second place that you can block users from your channel is from a video comment. I actually really like her video, but I am taking her comment as an example to show all of you. So what you have to do is you have to click on this three dots. You get an option, pin, remove, report, hide user from channel. When you click on that, hide user from channel and click on submit. Once you have done this, the user will be blocked and they never seen your channel.